Today I'm changing the 4 spark plugs for 4 new ones. We really need new spark plugs. I already checked. That's the old one that I'm going to replace, and it looks in pretty bad shape. And I'm going to replace it for the new one. Is an NGK. Let me put it right here. It's about to drop spark plugs, by the way. And the other one was an NGK-R, but it was pretty beat up. On the spark plugs, on this side right here, you got to put anti-seize lubricant. I already replaced this one. This one is already done by me because I want to make sure I knew what I was doing. So I replaced one, and now I'm making the video. This part right here, I'm going to show you how it looks like. Okay, and this is the one that sucks the electricity from the computer to the spark plug. This is the bolt that's holding it. I'm going to put some gel, this one right here. Alright, so I already put anti-seize lubricant all around the new spark plug. Okay, what I want to do now is, by hand, I want to lower the spark plug until it sits right, and then I want to find a way of screwing it in slowly. Make sure I don't mess it up. Make sure it goes in safely. And when I see all these go down, that means that it's going in fine, and then I'll be able to tighten it up. So let's go a little quicker. You see, everything is going down perfect. And once it gets tight on you, I just go and grab the lock wrench and finish it. The Nissan Sentra 2005, which is the B50 model, the spark plugs are really easy to change on this car. What I'm doing right now is tightening it, but I don't want to tighten too much either. So I want to make sure when it gets like to there, which is pretty tight, just give it a little more right there, and the spark plug is already in there. Okay, first of all, I want to grab the electric conductor, and I want to put some of the protector to avoid moisture and everything. As you can see, I put some in there to make good contact with the spark plug. So let's go and put it in the car. Okay, so now that I'm here in the car, I'm going to grab my electric conductor, and I'm going to make sure I line it up with my spark plug, and I push in like that. Now it's connected to it, and then I grab my bolt, which I left it here, and I put the bolt on. And I'm going to grab my wrench, tighten it up, and after that, yes, we're going to finally remove the next one. Okay, so let's tighten that bolt with my wrench. Remember not to tighten too much, you don't want to break anything, so that should be okay. And now we go for the I'm going to change the direction, and we're going to start taking the other one off. So I'm going to do some with my hand. Well, before I do that, remember, we have to connect this. So I'm going to connect it with this one, which I already arranged here. I know it's that one, I know this one is this one, and another one over here is the last one, which is this one. So let's connect it. That's it. It connects beautifully. And to disconnect, you just press in here and just pull it out. But now they're both connected. So far I've done these two. Now I have to do this one and that one. So let's disconnect this one. And once you take this off, put it somewhere safe, and you just yank it a little like this, and it should go like puff. There you go. So it's off, and the spark plug is right there waiting for me to remove it. Okay, now let's remove the spark plug. So to remove the spark plug, you just go inside with the 5A It's supposed to be a 5.8, and you go inside straight until you feel like you got it, like right there. Once you feel like you got it, sometimes it's a little bit strong to do it, but it's coming out. I got it. One-handed, buddy. One-handed. Now it's loose. What I want to do is I just take this off, put it somewhere safe. Should be out any moment. Pretty long thread. See if it's out already. Yes, it is. And slowly we remove it out. And there's the old spark plug. So I changed those spark plugs already. So now let's turn on the car to see how the engine sounds. There you go. These spark plugs. So everything is under control. Should be better now and better fuel economy.